Handy Power. Power your smart life.
How to install the power-assisted wheel. First, take out the bicycle seat post, find the size mark of the seat post diameter, select the adapter that matches the seat post diameter exactly, insert the adapter into the seat post, then insert the seat post clamp, insert the bicycle seat post back into the seat tube, and adjust it to the appropriate riding height. If the seat post is too short, it is not suitable for installing the power-assisted wheel. The seat post adapter and the seat post clamp can be moved up and down so that the power-assisted wheel can be installed in the most suitable position. Rotate the seat post adapter opening position to the rear, and align the power-assisted wheel fixing clamp with the seat post adapter. Rotate in the lock direction so that the fixing clamp clamps the seat tube adapter and fits it completely. Fit the booster drive wheel with the rear wheel of the bicycle. Press down the rear end of the booster. If the booster has a large downward movement space, slightly adjust the seat post adapter downward. Repeat several times until there is only a small movement space, less than 5 mm, when the rear end of the booster is pressed down, which is the best installation position. Tighten the knob firmly and fix the seat post clamp with a hex wrench. Installation is complete. Turn on the power-assisted wheel, suspend the rear wheel. Step on the pedal, and the power-assisted wheel starts to work. Brake, the power-assisted wheel stops assisting. Installation test completed.